Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now let me discuss about retinal abnormality classification based on regression classifier. This paper presents a new supervised method for detecting the abnormality in retinal image. The abnormality will be identified by the use of regression tree classification. Then we describes about content-based image retrieval. It will search and retrieve an image in database by specific content. Here we extracting the features of GLCM and Gabber feature. GLCM will extract the statistical information about the image such as energy, entropy and contrast. The Gabber feature is used to extract the feature of shape and edge information of the image. The classifier will be trained by the extracted feature. Here regression tree classifier is used to detecting the abnormality. After that, we will employ the content-based image retrieval. If the image is normal means the normal image will be retrieved from the database. If it is abnormal means the abnormal image will be retrieved. Here we find the Euclidean distance between the input image and database image. The minimum distance of the image will be retrieved from the database. This is the flow of a project. Here we are having the two stages. First one is the training stage, second one is the testing stage. In training stage, here we have to provide a whole database images. In database, here we are having normal and abnormal retinal images. First we have to provide whole database images in GLCM and Haber feature extraction. GLCM is the grade level information, statistical information about the images such as energy, entropy, correlation. And Gabber feature is the edge information and the shape information of the retinal images. These feature values will go to the SFSKN and feature selection. It will use to select the feature value from the GLCM and Gabber feature. The selected feature will pass to the regression tree classifier. The regression tree classifier will classify trained about the features. The classification result is stored here. Here we have to test our classification result. First we have to provide our retinal image. For that, for our input image, here we have to extract GLCM and Gabber feature. After that, the feature vectors will pass to the regression tree classifier. The classifier will classify about the result as normal or abnormal. After classifying the result, it will go to the content-based image retrieval. If normal image means it will retrieve the abnormal image. If it is abnormal means it will retrieve the abnormal image from the dataset. Now let's see the execution part. Here I am having written main.m file. It is the main file. Select this file. Right click. Run the file. This is the guide design of our project. In input image, here we have to provide a retinal image. In database, totally I am having 100 images. First 50 is the normal image and another 50 is the abnormal image. Now I am selecting the one abnormal image. The selected input image will be displayed in the axis. In feature extraction, here we are extracting the GLCM and Gabber feature. These are the edge information about the Gabber that is displayed in the figure window. In the table, here we are having the feature value as a contrast, correlation and the energy. This type of information is displayed in the table. These are the Gabber feature values. After that, these feature values will go to the classification. In classification, here we are using the regression tree classifier. The regression tree classifier will predict about the result. Now let's see the result. Here we are having the result as abnormal. This is the classification tree view. Now let's see the whole database analysis. In feature vectors, here we are having the feature value, whole database feature. Here we are having 100 feature. In feature selection, here we are using the sequential forward selection with KNN classifier. It will predict the feature values from the extracted feature. Now let's see the result. Here we are predicting the two feature values are eliminated by the feature selection, and the selected features will pass to the image retrieval. In image retrieval, here we are using the finding the Euclidean distance between the original image and the database image. The minimum distance will be computed and the relevant image are retrieved from the database. Now let's see the result. These are the relevant images will be retrieved from the database. Thank you.